I kept hearing that Apollo.io could be the muscle behind smart B2B outreach, blending data, automation, and AI, but could it really replace a half dozen sales tools with one dashboard? I put it to the test, and here's how it truly performs. Apollo.io brands itself as an AI-powered sales intelligence and engagement platform, a one-stop shop to find, engage, and close leads. It bridges prospecting, CRM-style pipelines, multi-channel sequences, enrichment, and analytics. But does it manage to consolidate those workflows without feeling overwhelming, or does the everything-in-one promise fall short? The standout feature is its massive B2B contact database. Apollo claims access to hundreds of millions of contacts and companies with over 65 search filters and AI-powered targeting. For me, that meant building smart lead lists in minutes, not hours. Its email sequences, dialer, and LinkedIn integrations also streamlined outreach. I could send multi-step campaigns, track opens and clicks, make calls and log data, all from the same place. Apollo's idea of automating CRM enrichment without manual entry saved me from duplicating effort across my stack. Apollo's pricing follows a tiered credit-based model. The free plan still offers generous access, email sequences, a modest pool of credits, and embedded prospecting tools. Paid plans start around $49 per month, basic, rising to $79, professional, and $119 for the top-tier organization plan. Each includes different levels of mobile percentages, export credits, automation, dialer tools, and team support. If your usage exceeds included credits, you pay per credit, so cost predictability requires careful monitoring. On review sites, Apollo earns strong praise for its clean interface, prospecting power, and automation tools, especially for B2B teams. Its Chrome extension and AI-powered lead enrichment get frequent mentions as workflow multipliers. But it's not without criticism. Some users report data inaccuracies, emails bouncing, or incorrect mobile numbers. Outreach campaigns sometimes get flagged as spam, hinting at aggressive sending behavior. The credit model also can sneak up on you. Chasing mobile reveals or enrichment can inflate costs fast, especially when search or export quotas reset monthly. Several users have noted install slowdowns during peak usage, and Trustpilot reviews cite challenges with customer support, billing transparency, and refund processes. Apollo.io is an impressive streamlined all-in-one platform for data-driven sales teams who need unified outreach and CRM automation built for growth. If your focus is multi-channel B2B outreach with minimal context switching, it delivers high value. But if you're sensitive to data accuracy, have tight credit budgets, or prioritize top-tier support, you'll want to monitor usage closely or consider complementary tools. So here's my takeaway. Apollo.io accelerates prospecting and outreach, but only for those who manage its credit model, data quirks, and platform scope smartly. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and share below. What's your biggest struggle in managing sales workflow today? Let's explore it together next time.